Imagine waking up on January 1st, 2025, looking in the mirror and seeing someone who's not just different, but unstoppable. Studies show that people who journal regularly are 43% more likely to achieve their goals, yet 67% give up within the first month. I'll show you how to be in the successful group. Together, we'll turn your journal into the ultimate tool for your glow up. Glow ups aren't just about looking good. They're about feeling empowered, aligned, and ready to take on the world. As someone who thrives on reflection and meaningful growth, I know the power of journaling firsthand. Today, I'll walk you through 5 transformative tips that will make your journal the key to becoming the best version of yourself. You can't reach your destination without knowing where you're starting. Reflection isn't about judging yourself. It's about getting curious. What specific action did I take today that brought me closer to my goals? What habit drained my energy or focus today, and how can I change it tomorrow? What's one thing I've been putting off, and why? Use the R-cubed method to reflect. Recognize what's working or not working. Realize patterns that keep showing up. Reimagine how you can make small shifts to improve. When you spend just 5 minutes reflecting each day, you'll start seeing patterns you never noticed before. And once you have that clarity, it's time to shift your focus forward. Let's take reflection a step further. Picture yourself at the end of 2025. Who are you? How do you feel? What habits define your day? How does your future self walk into a room? With confidence, ease, or excitement? What's your energy like in the mornings? What's one big accomplishment you're celebrating at the end of the year? March 2025. What's one small goal you've achieved? June 2025. How are you growing in your relationships or career? September 2025. What mindset shift has made the biggest impact? With your future self guiding you, let's talk about how to create daily habits to make those dreams a reality. Big changes come from small, consistent actions, and building habits is easier when you keep it simple. Reminder: tie your new habit to something you already do. For example, journal for 2 minutes after brushing your teeth. Routine: keep it short and manageable. Start with micro habits like writing 1 sentence a day instead of filling a whole page. Reward: celebrate progress. Give yourself something to look forward to, like a favorite snack after completing your habit for a week. Stack your habits. Pair journaling with an existing routine, like sipping your morning coffee or winding down before bed. With your habits in place, let's tackle the inner critic that often sneaks in and holds us back. The biggest roadblock to your glow up isn't outside of you. It's the stories you tell yourself. But the good news? You can rewrite them. STAR method. Situation. Write down what happened. Thought. Capture the negative belief. Alternative. Reframe it with a positive or neutral perspective. Result. Describe how the new thought helps you take action. I'm not ready. I'm learning and growing every day. I always fail. Every attempt brings me closer to success. I'm behind. I'm on my own timeline, and that's okay. With your mindset in check, let's end on a note of gratitude, one of the most powerful practices for inner and outer transformation. Gratitude helps you shift your focus to what's already good in your life and what's possible. Add depth. Why does this matter to me? I'm grateful for my voice because it allows me to express my thoughts and connect with others. Practice future gratitude. What will I be grateful for a year from now? I'm grateful for the confidence I've gained in 2025 and the joy it's brought to my relationships. What's one lesson I'm grateful for, even if it was hard to learn? With these gratitude practices, you'll feel grounded and inspired every day. Now, let's put it all together with a special activity just for you. This week, I challenge you to create your own glow-up manifesto in your journal. Take 15 minutes to reflect on your big goals for 2025, the habits you want to build, a mantra or affirmation that inspires you to keep going. Then, here's the fun part. Set a reminder to revisit your Glow Up Manifesto every month. Make notes about your progress, add new goals, and watch how far you've come. If you feel comfortable, share one line from your manifesto in the comments. I'd love to hear what's inspiring you. Your glow up starts today, one journal entry at a time. If this video inspired you, I'd love for you to like, share, and subscribe. And when you're ready for your next step, check out my other videos on journaling and self-growth. They're packed with ideas to keep you motivated and aligned with your goals. Ready to take your journaling even further? Start with one of my playlists. It's your next step to uncovering your potential.